Hello friends, welcome to our Tiration. Today we will learn to adjust each and every panel of our Clo 3D. Sometimes you might not like how the tools windows are placed. For that reason, we will learn to customize them as per our need. So without delay, let's get further. This is how our display normally look. Let's collapse our 2D window first to see 3D only. In 3D window, we can adjust its toolbar however we need. As soon you move your mouse over the line drawn in the middle of tools, you will get the option to replace it. You can move it like this, but if you leave this box in the middle of the screen, it will go back from where we took it. But if you move this toward any edge of your window, then you will see this kind of area which shows that you can place it here. Set all the tools as per your working style, but if you have done this by mistake and want to go back to the original style, here I have already misplaced all my tools and now I want to go back. Then I will go to the bottom tools to select this reset layout option. By the help of this, all the changes we had done will be gone and our window will become like earlier. If we go back to our 3D window, now all the changes we did will be gone. You can detach your window too, like this. With this small option, you can set its size small or big as you want. And if you move it upward, it will attach itself. Similarly, in 2D window, you have same options related to resetting the tools and window. Reset this. We can collapse these side windows as well by clicking this little arrow. Let's collapse this too. We have more space to work now. Open them back. We can detach them too, as we did with the 2D and 3D window, but other than that, it can be merged to the other side, and if we close this, it won't go from where it came from, but it will collapse to the other side. Let's take this back. You can resize every window as you want. One of our subscribers asked this question that his library window is not like this. Some folders are missing. So I am going to teach you how you can add or delete items from your library. Let me right click over show folder and select delete. After that, it will confirm our action and then it will be deleted. Here is one option to reset this too. Press OK and your folder will come back. If it hasn't come back yet, then we have other methods too. But before that, let me tell you that you can rename your folder name from here, and also there is an option to copy its location if you have to find that outside of Clo. Now, to add the missing or any new folder, you can use this plus sign to add required folder here. I have selected my project folder and now it's also available in this library. By this way, you can add your missing folder if required. Sometimes Clo updates the library too. If it's connected online, you will see this kind of screen, which means you need to or can update your library by pressing this download option and it will load like this. This is all about customization for now. If this video has helped you in working, then do like it and also share it with other people. If you are new to our channel, subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to receive the notification of our new updates. You can also connect with us on Instagram and Facebook by the link shown on the screen or from the description box there. We also have a Facebook group link for you all to connect. And if you have any query, you can ask in comment section below. Thank you all. Bye.